Hey, what's up, man? Shut it down. The cops blocking us in from that way. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me in my straight pipe BMW M4. So first we're gonna be starting off on Hollywood Boulevard, then we're gonna be checking out Rodeo Drive. I got a tip from an anonymous source saying that there's gonna be a lot of supercars hitting Rodeo. We're gonna check that out, see what kind of cars we can see, and make some noise. Oh man! So tonight we're gonna see if anything's going on Hollywood Boulevard. It'll be my first time driving down the street. Right there you can see there's a big castle, which is pretty cool. Hollywood Hills is all right there. We're gonna go ahead and turn on that cop detector. We want to stay out of trouble tonight. As you can see, gas is still pretty expensive here in Cali. Wow, check this out. And here we go, Hollywood Boulevard. Hey, what's up, man? I got you. Some subscribers. Oh look, it's the dinosaur from GTA. I don't know if you guys play that game, but same building and everything. Oh my god. Oh, the shifts are so sharp in this car. Now we're heading to Rodeo Drive. We're officially in Beverly Hills. I don't know if you can see the sign of Beverly Hills right there. So we're about 5 minutes away from Rodeo Drive, so let's pull up. What's that? F82 M4 Austin Yellow. What is this? What is this? Dude, only on Rodeo. They're having a silent rave? Oh, look at that McLaren. Oh, check this out. The Dawn drop top rolls. That was nice. Park up on Rodeo this time, see if we can see any cool cars that drive by. see the M4 is parked up on Rodeo. Got a Bentayga right here, which is pretty nice. We're just hanging out a bit to see if we can find any cool cars driving along Rodeo. Check that out. Oh boy, Mustang. Cars came out of nowhere. See, I know my M4 is pretty loud, but that just sounds like gunshots. So it seems like more and more people are showing up. Let's see what all the huss is about. Look at this Urus, purple. Here's what my car sounds like stock. Look at this Mercedes truck. So these are 4x4. Nice M8. Look at that. Which one are you taking, the Merc or the Beamer? Man, the cops came quick. That was not even 5 minutes of these guys driving through. Oh, they shut it down. It's a nice C63 right here. Got the carbon wing on it. I'll check out this V10 M6. Just on my brother's old car. New M4. So this night did not go as planned. The cops have shut down Rodeo. Like within not even 10 minutes of these people driving down the street. And I was just on a cruise trying to get a POV for you guys and just get some driving through Rodeo and Hollywood, Beverly Hills. And now we're blocked in. You can see all the way down there, there are cops blocking us in from that way. There's cops blocking us in all directions. Kind of a tight situation right now. I don't really know what to do, to be honest. They've been giving tickets to just random people for no reason. So it's just my car's so modified, and all these cars are modified. They're just gonna assume that I'm with them. So let's try a launch control in an underpass. So that's gonna just about do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button if you did. Hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.